Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda Malpani, and to start with our first segment for Tuesday, 23rd December 2025, Nifty index opened gap up by almost 90 points and picked up momentum from the previous session and escalated throughout the session to touch 26,180 zones. It recouped the losses of the previous 2 weeks and closed at its higher band with gains of around 210 points. It formed a bullish candle on the daily frame and has been making higher highs, higher lows from the last 2 sessions. India VIX was up by 1.6% to 9.7 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 1.42. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 25,800 to 26,500 levels, while immediate range is in between 26,000 to 26,300. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 516 crores, while DIIs or buyers were 3,899 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 11.4%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 26,150 for the next up move towards 26,325 zones, while supports have shifted higher to 26,050 levels. Bank Nifty has to hold above 59,250 for the next bounce towards 59,500 marks, while on the downside, support can be seen at 59,000 levels. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in MCX, Shriram Finance, BSE, Nalco, UPL, Hindustan Zinc, Laurus Labs and Ashok Leyland, while some weakness could be seen in Chola Finance, Bandhan Bank, Blue Star, IEX, Dixon and Inox Wind. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.